Hi everyone, in today's tutorial you'll learn how to make your own emojis in Telegram. But before we start, make sure that you paid for premium. It's necessary to have it. Okay, let's open Telegram. I've already got the premium. I can show it to you. Then we need to find the bot stickers. Let's type stickers. Click on the first one. Click on Restart. And in this message we need to find new JPEG. Click on the link. And now you can choose animated emoji, video emoji or static emoji. 3 different packs. I'll choose static. Now we need to come up with a name for it. Let's name it Telegram Help. And send it. The next important thing that you need to know is that your picture has to be 100 by 100 pixels. And about size of your picture, it should be 128 kilobytes. As for the format, it should be PNG or web. I already added a picture in my gallery, so let's click on this paperclip, then go to Files, and here we click on Gallery. Here I'm gonna choose this picture, the icon of Telegram, and just send it. Well, now we are asked to send any emoji. Let's choose this one. Well, we almost have our own emojis, and we just need to click on Publish. Then just skip it. As a next step, we need to think up a unique link for our emojis. Let's call it QWERTY emoji. And finally, we have our own emojis. Click on them and add. From now, every time you open emojis, you'll see your own emojis too. And you can use them just like other emojis. Well, everything works. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Click on the bell to receive notifications of our new videos. And see you!